Welcome to KuCoin, the People's Exchange. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to buy cryptocurrency on the KuCoin spot market using your mobile device. To get started, you'll need to have an account with KuCoin, and you'll need to have some funds available to purchase crypto. Once you're in the app, click on the Trade tab at the bottom of your screen to quickly access the spot trading market. If you are unsure which cryptocurrency pair to trade, visit our markets page to explore all the trading pairs we support. To proceed with buying your selected cryptocurrency, tap the Buy button located at the bottom of your screen. This will lead you to the trading terminal. Here, you can see the price chart, order book, order panel, and other features. Currently, KuCoin provides access to more than 700 different cryptocurrencies, with over 1,200 trading pairs available on their spot market. To purchase a particular digital asset, simply search for it and select the preferred trading pair. In this case, we will buy Bitcoin with USDT. To proceed, you must log in to your KuCoin account. Once logged in, you will have the option to begin trading on the spot market. To buy cryptocurrencies on the spot market, you will need to transfer funds from your main account to your trading account. You can do this by clicking on the transfer button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to a page where you can move your funds from your main account to your trading account. After successfully topping up your trading account, you are now ready to buy cryptocurrency on the spot market. KuCoin offers a variety of order types, including limit orders, market orders, and advanced orders like stop limit, stop market, and OCO orders. Depending on your preference, you can select the order type that works best for you. Use a market order for immediate order execution, while a limit order allows you to buy crypto at a specific price point. We will then use a limit order to purchase BTC with USDT, with a buying price of 24,500 USDT and a quantity of 0.002. Prior to finalizing the order, you may choose to pay the transaction fees in either USDT or KCS. If you hold KCS tokens in your account, you may use them to pay the transaction fees and receive a 20% discount. To initiate the order, we need to click on the Buy BTC button and enter our trading password. Once you finalize your order, it will appear in the Open Orders tab at the bottom of the page. When the price of Bitcoin reaches 24,500 USDT, your order will be executed, and you will be able to see your newly purchased Bitcoin in your trading account. Note that some orders like market orders are processed instantly at market price, while orders like limit orders might take some time, depending on the purchasing price you set. Congratulations! You have successfully bought cryptocurrency on the KuCoin spot market. Good luck trading, and thank you for choosing KuCoin, the People's Exchange.